Super worth it. Had the best experience here. What's nice is you can create your own set meal. Chefs are friendly and they really explain everything well. Just had a bit of confusion with the meetup point. We just went straight to the cooking class. Best tour I've done yet. Staff friendly, food was amazing. Only confusing issue is the meeting location, as Klook have 3 different ones on the ticket. Some are the old ones and given wrong info by Klook. I had an amazing experience at Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy on July 8th. The class was well organized and offered a hands-on approach to learning authentic Thai cooking. The instructors were friendly, knowledgeable, and made sure everyone was engaged and having fun. The ingredients provided were fresh and of high quality, and we were taught to prepare a variety of delicious dishes, from traditional curries to refreshing salads. What stood out the most was the personalized attention we received, making the experience both educational and enjoyable. By the end of the class, not only did I feel more confident in my Thai cooking skills, but I also had a wonderful meal to enjoy. The academy provided a great cultural experience, and I highly recommend it to anyone visiting Bangkok who wants to delve into Thai cuisine. I totally enjoyed the cooking class. They explain each ingredients on the dishes you chose to cook. I booked the morning class and I'm happy I choose morning back. We were only 5 rather than a big group. I am thinking on getting the 2-week course in the future to get a Thai culinary diploma, smiley face emoji. It's a fun activity. What I like most about this group is that you can freely choose what kind of food you want to cook. At the beginning, the staff will ask you what kind of food you want to cook. After going to the market and returning to the cooking school, the table has been prepared to dry the ingredients, and the instructor will explain very clear, and having the opportunity to make curry paste yourself is a very special experience. Finally, I felt very satisfied with the food I cooked myself. The portion was large and I felt very full. There was also mango sticky rice for dessert that day. When walking in the market, although there are many things that we usually see in Hong Kong, we will see some spices and plants that are unique to Thailand. For example, we know that the taste of tom yum goong comes from a kind of leaf, and we also see the flowers of banana boat, so special. I will participate again next time to scare others. The activity was so much fun. We went to the local market and got introduced to some local fruits and vegetables. Cooking class was so much fun. Chef Lucky makes an effort to get everyone to ask questions, provide help and just make the class fun. Totally worth it. Heart decoration emoji. Durrani first took us to the fresh market and explained about the various fresh herbs and vegetables that we would be cooking with. Then back at the academy it was all hands-on with our excellent teacher Chef Vicky. I highly recommend this cooking experience. The package starts with picking 4 dish you want to cook at the meeting point. Then a quick tour in the market where our guide introduced all kinds of fresh ingredients that we'll use for cooking later on. I was amazed that there are different types/class of ingredients that I'm not known of. Right after that we went to the venue to start cooking. Our instructor was fun and precise on how she teach us. Enjoyed every dish I cook and it was fun meeting other people from around the world. Was definitely the highlight of my BKK trip. Absolutely brilliant. We were collected from the meeting point by our chef teacher. We then walked to a market and were given an explanation of the various vegetables and herbs we would use. The Thai cooking school was around the corner. We each made 4 courses. Excellent guidance was given on a step-by-step basis. Everyone had a choice on what they wanted to cook. We all prepared our courses and then cooked them at the end. It was great fun and would recommend to anyone. The cooking class was really fun. The instructor explained everything very clearly, making it really easy to understand. I also learned a lot about the different ingredients used in the Thai cuisine. It was overall a very enjoyable cooking class. One of the best things I booked for my Bangkok trip. I enjoyed cooking and eating Thai dishes and even got a certificate for participating. I'm definitely going to book again to experience cooking other dishes. Smiling face with hearts emoji.